The U.S. foreign interference showdown only escalating further. U.S. President Donald Trump once again questioned why the $21 million funding was used for meddling with India's voter turnout, claiming it is a kickback scheme. The BJP has denied reports that the funds were actually for Bangladesh, claiming that Trump did not confuse India with Bangladesh and that the funds indeed were used in India to sustain deep state assets. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has said that Trump revealed the bid to manipulate and taint India's democracy, highlighting how the funds given to do was not a small one. $21 million. The BJP alleges a link with Congress's Rahul Gandhi. Congress called the claims nonsensical and demanded the centre bring out a white paper detailing US aid support to both governmental and non-governmental institutions in India.
And $21 million for voter turnout in India. Why are we caring about India turnout? We got enough problems. We want our own turnout, don't we? Can you imagine all that money going to India? I wonder what they think when they get it. Now, it's a kickback scheme. You know, it's not like they get it and they spend. They kick it back to the people that send it, I would say, in many cases. Many of these cases.
पता लगाना चाहिए वो कौन लोग हैं जिन्होंने इस प्रकार के आक्रमण को स्वीकार किया, हमारे प्रजातांत्रिक मूल्यों के ऊपर इतना बड़ा कुठाराघात किया। उन ताकतों पर प्रतिघात करना हमारा राष्ट्र धर्म है। उनको बेनकाब करना होगा, क्योंकि भारत तभी शिखर पर जाएगा और जिसकी हम कल्पना करते हैं, और जब सपना नहीं हमारा लक्ष्य है, विकसित भारत।
How do you see the claims that are now being made by US President Donald Trump?
No, look, I don't think this is about a claim. This is reality. It is very clear that USAID, which is a government of United States body, was actively funding organizations in India. And that is a fact that has come out now as part of the US administration's disclosures. And while nobody has a problem with aid and funding genuine NGOs, but this kind of money and large amounts of money in crores and hundreds of crores of rupees being funneled to in the name of democracy at a time when Mr. Rahul Gandhi of the Congress party was going and building the same narrative around the world about how democracy is in danger in India, EVMs are not working, institutions, judiciary, the media is against democracy. So this needs to be investigated. Please understand, this is the same Rahul Gandhi whose Rajiv Gandhi Foundation has received money from the government of China. And so there are legitimate questions that need to be asked. Were these political parties or people in these political parties fronting for mysterious forces from across the border around the world that were wanting to undermine India's democracy and India's rise as an economic power?
ये भारत में जो चुनावी प्रक्रिया है, इसमें हस्तक्षेप करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा था और ऐसा क्यों किया जाना चाहिए। मोदी जी से नफरत करते करते वो अब भारत से नफरत करने लगे, यहां के नागरिकों से वो नफरत करने लगे। मोदी जी को वो अपनी क्षमता से, जो उनकी लोकप्रियता बची नहीं है, उससे हरा नहीं सकते, इसलिए विदेशी ताकतों का वो सहारा लेते हैं।
ये तो यूक्रेन से लेकर और पता नहीं कहां पूरे विश्व में जाकर तिकड़मे लगाते हैं। कभी सुनते हैं विदेशों में कुछ कर दिया कांड, कई तिकड़मे लगा रहे होते हैं। तो जब इतनी तिकड़मे आप विदेशों में लगाते हो, आपके देश में $21 मिलियन आया तो ये तो आपके चेहरे पे तमाचा। फिर बोलते हैं नहीं 2012 में जब यूपीए की सरकार थी तब आया था। तो 14 का रिजल्ट जो आपका पक्ष में आया, क्या आप उस पैसे से जीते?